MLB Prize Picks for Monday, June 10th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Back here with YouTube picks. Let's hit the intro. Let's go to work. All right, this is the DFS Army Prop Optimizer. Let you compare prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. Play number one, Seth Lugo. More than 4.5 strikeouts. He's been over 7 of the last 10 games. And actually, this appears to be a couple blank spots here. So actually, 7 of his last 8 starts, he's been over the number. It's lined at minus 145 over at BetMGM, minus 137 at Caesars. Projection model is actually slightly under. It's 4.48. We're projecting him right at the 4.5 number. So why is it a play? Is that a lot of times, if you've watched these videos before, I would pass on this. The problem is the board is really, really tight today. You see the other play we're going to, some of the other plays we were considering. There's just only one green odds-based play. And then when you start digging into these, we didn't like a bunch of them. We only have, 7 games here on a Monday. MLB, not a full schedule. Teams have off days on Mondays. And I don't want to force a bunch of plays. So we're going to go with Seth Lugo here, the 4.48. Also, he's taking on the Yankees. This is the MLB stats here. Middle of the road matchup, so it's a decent matchup in terms of strikeouts per game. The Yankees rank 17th. I realized I may have not scrolled up enough for the overlay. So there is the matchup we're looking at. So good odds, good form, good projection. Not great projection, but good projection. And in this case today, it's enough for Seth Lugo to be play number 1. It is nice that Prize Picks brought back this overlay. And Seth Lugo, where you can flip between goblins and demons and the regular prop, and there's not 50,000 cards on the screen. Lugo is one of the more popular plays of the day. Right now, about 4,500 people have hit it over on Prize Picks. Most of those likely on the over. We're going to jump on that train as well. Back to the Prop Optimizer. Real quick before we do that, you see up in the top left, we got the tracker up there. That's on the DFS Army site. There's tons of plays. WNBA, Coach Will has been crushing it. We got esports, soccer, all the stuff you need from sports bets to Prize Picks, Underdog, Sleeper. Check that out. Your code SNIPER20 get you 20% off down below. And if you want to try 2 free months, more links below to sign up on Prize Picks, Underdog, and Sleeper for a deposit match and 2 free months. All right, we need play number 2 now. We're going to go Max Kepler, more than 0.5 strikeouts. We're just going to do a pair today for the reasons I covered earlier. Kepler has struck out in 7 of the last 10 games, lined at minus 130 over at BetMGM, and the projection model has it just over at 0.58. You can also go a little bit deeper here. This is a BVP site. If you are a BVP guy, not a big sample size by any means against Dakota Hudson, but he's faced him 3 times, 2 official at-bats, because there's 1 walk, 1 strikeout. So he struck out the only other game he's faced Dakota Hudson. Like I said, it is a very limited sample size. I'm not going to tell you this makes it a lock, but it's a nice little piece to add on here with the Prop Optimizer. And with the Prop Optimizer, this is updated live throughout the day. So just because early in the morning when I record these, there's only a couple plays, does not mean we're not going to be cranking out plays all day. And Coach Will already posted a bunch of WNBA overnight. So make sure you get in, go and check that out. For now, let's head on over to Prize Picks and we'll lock in our morning pair. Max Kepler, more than 0.5 hitting strikeouts. Also another fire play. It's a little rare we're on the double popular plays, but we're going to roll with it. All right, here we go. Let's first hit the like button, and then I'll hit this recap. Seth Lugo, more than 4.5 pitching strikeouts, and Max Kepler, more than 0.5 hitter strikeouts. Lock that in. Verify my location there for a minute. That's what we got for today. One more time, I know I just said it, but if you didn't already, hit that like button. I appreciate it. Drop a comment with what your favorite play of the day is. Share with the group. But for now, guys, that's all I got. Here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.